Welcome to today's Articulate Storyline Update video. Storyline released version 3.105.35604.0 on October 21st, 2025. This update includes 2 enhancements, 1 fix and 1 restoration. First, Storyline has streamlined the closed captioning process with the AI assistant. You can now automatically generate captions when importing media, saving you a few extra steps. Second, there's a new closed caption display option that lets you turn text shadow on or off, improving readability for your learners. The single fix in this update resolves an issue where a marker's title text disappeared when accessible text was turned off. Finally, the AI-generated voices that were removed in the previous update have been restored. To access them, simply close and reopen the Generate AI audio window. If you like this video and want to stay up to date on Storyline's latest features, enhancements, and fixes, please subscribe to this channel. We'll post a new update video as soon as Articulate releases the next version. Have a great day.